So today I'm gonna show you how to do a Smokey eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna demonstrate it on my best friend, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The eyeshadow palette I'll be starting today with is called the Smashbox Smokey eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna start with the shade called Combat Boots, which is this light white shade right here, just for a transition shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over the eye, just like this. Before you want to start any like darker colors or anything like that, just like that. And then the next shade I'll be starting also going with on the upper crease is called Riot Girl, and it's just this purpley toned one, and I'm putting that on the upper crease here. And all you really want to do is just like make it look like windshield wipers, just like that, just to sort of start with the dark part. And then after that, you want to go for more like a darker shade now, so I'm gonna go with the shade here. It's called Studded, and it's just this grayish shade. So I'm putting that on the outer crease of the eye, over here, just to smoky it out for me. Then blend both of those colors together. And then this is optional. You can put a shimmery shade if you want, which I'll be doing today. And the shade I will be using from the palette is called, Punk, which is this shade right here. It's like a sparkly shade. Or if you want, you could just leave this. You can just add more this if you want, just still matte shade, but I'm gonna put some sparkly on the center of the lid near the eye, this part. You can get some more for pigment, make more pigment, if more like sparkly and shiny if you want. So I'm just gonna go back with this and just add more to the eye. And also don't forget to prime the eyes before you do this, so the eyeshadow can just stay longer. So after that, I'm gonna go back with the shade Riot Girl, and I'm gonna get an angled brush right here, and I'm just gonna put it under the eye and align the eye. So look up. Just under there to like smoke it out. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll get right back to you. So this is the final look. All I really did was put on bronzer, some blush, and highlight. That's optional if you want to do it. And I hope you guys have a great day or a great night. And bye, guys.